I've grown so much throughout this course. It has been an absolutely incredible experience.
After this 2-week experience, I think I gained so much from this university.
The place is absolutely great. It inspires innovation and entrepreneurship. It is really great.
Code as Craft was born to bridge the gap between technology and craft.
We have been going back and forth with Italian craftsmanship and artisans and seeing how we can integrate their work with AI tools, with still being mindful of their heritage and culture.
We were presented with a variety of amazing professors and various amounts of professionals in the job of AI and fashion.
This is the first J-term designed by H-Farm College. It was developed for NYU Abu Dhabi students who had the opportunity to interact with a group of H-Farm College students taking part in the J-term.
In these 2 weeks programs, students could visit different ateliers on Venice, but also could experience with a workshop with Missoni and Intrecci from Maga Museum.
We get to talk with people who have experience, and everyone is very approachable.
Throughout this J-term, I found out the people here are doing an amazing work. So when it comes to culture, when it comes to code and craft, they are like working in harmony at H-Farm. So that was like something amazing to see.
Code as Craft explores how excellence in craftsmanship, tradition, and emerging technologies can shape the future of design and craftsmanship itself. Bringing international students to H-Farm innovation ecosystem and into Venice cultural ecosystem shows how artisanal heritage, fashion, and cutting-edge technologies can truly converge.